Okay, the cook is here. Well, now we just gotta see what he's gonna do. Stirring isn't really the good way to cook, but it's how he's doing it. And did you know this was actually my sister that was doing it the whole time? Well, we are just going to look in there. Wow, it looks disgusting in that. But in that, it would look great. But I don't know what's happening over there. But let's go see. Ugh. Okay, we are looking what's happening over here. And I just have to put something there. Why am I falling off? Why am I falling off? Why am I falling off? Oh, finally. I have got it back. Let me see what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing, but something is happening. I really do not know. But it's kind of cool how he's swishing it and swashing it and then putting it in there. Wait, look at those dogs. Do you know the difference? Here the cook is doing all its stuff it can do. Let's see what it's doing. Hello. I do not know why.
Why have you got that cabin out of the case? Huh?